to one of my hospitality management family. Hopefully when we met again, you will be able to fulfill your dreams that you most look forward to, especially when it comes to Mr. J.R. Magalanding Boy. I know that most of the time we aren't in good terms, but I wish you well on your journey. Knowing that we've once shared laughter and tears throughout our 4 years tertiary journey, I hope you will continue the designation of being the manager of AFT AD Department. To my kind tourism department, as the saying goes, lumingon ka sa iyong pinanggalingan para makakarating ka sa iyong paroroonan. Let us be proud of ourselves. And I am very proud of my past because, in my case, I do believe my past shaped my form of who I am today. I can't believe that I will make it here at this very moment, even in my crucial age that is more than a calendar. I am very proud of myself that despite being one of those who were years ahead before the first ones of the K-12 curriculum, I blended with the pioneer K-12 curriculum graduates. Also, I would like to say thank you to my ever-dear friend, mentor, best Sir Renato de Luis Pilar, who motivated me to get back on track in pursuing my studies that has been neglected for too long because of my fairy fantasies in life. Without Sir Millar, and to my loving mother, Josephine, my sister, Tina Fe, Joy, and Dawn. To my Tita Bebot, Tita Wawi, Tita Panga, Tita Maricar, Mama Jane, Mama Bells, Papa Jingle, Tita Jingle Compassion, to Sir Lucio Patwal, and to Sir Jerry Capuso for helping us finish our experimental thesis with the flying colors. To my besties who are always there for me through my ups and downs, Beshi Jantan Mansha, James Marsan, Jessie Dumani, Kagawat Michelle Bismo, and to my ever-supportive Yaya Sani Ibu. To my ever-supportive high school classmates, Ani Puling Katana, Mildred Mikiro Galagaran, Zirabel Pamalate, Lorraine Dador Sumailo, Alexander Oxterov, and Hazel Minot Ramos. My I Love You Sweets family who shaped my unique talents in my chosen field, Sir Ruel and Ma'am Angel Joy. Thank you so much for all the understanding and for taking care of us with Opa, Eric's mom, during our on-the-job training. To all my friends, our instructors that always entrusted my ability, Sir Rex, Sir Alvin, Sir Julie, Sir Mark Ben, Ma'am Karen, and to our Dean, Ma'am Hazel, for giving the confidence in my ability to lead our department for 4 consecutive years. I don't have a problem because as long as I can do, every minute is important. I thank you because you are one of the people who make up my personality. My LGU family, Madam Charles, Ma'am Barbara Murtos, and to the father of our municipality, my daddy mayor, Hero Egrey. Thank you very much for the scholarship that we shared. Lastly, the tertiary education subsidy. All of them have played a vital role in helping us be where we are now. This message is for the person who was the one to get rid of my high blood pressure, aka Chupapi, Mr. Archie Iran. Hopefully next time, you are still the same Chupapi, and may you fulfill the dreams you desire. I don't even know what it is. As long as it just improves so that you can handle and fulfill the goals you want for your family and to yourself. Beautiful Virgin Mother, Chuba Chuchu, as baby no. Miss Bebelen Rakotoba. Hopefully, Babs, you fulfill all your dreams to be one of the best tour guides here in the Nagat Islands. And you can travel the places you want to visit around the world. Whatever you have now, Babs, I hope you don't change when the day comes. I love you, baby no. When she was in junior high school, she was already my friend. I never thought that when I went to college, she would be my classmate, aka Jewel, Kendall, and Sabrina. Miss Jersey Perez Cleo, 21, virgin. I just wanted to achieve what we wanted in life, to be the next FHM model. Ate, I hope you will not change. If who you are today, I'd love to see you soon as what you become. The real Jewel Planet, Kendall Jenner, and Sabrina M. A strong, loving, and happy woman. I love you, Ate Jewel. She is also one of my friends way back, and I never thought that we would be together when we took college entrance examination last 2018. Winner in different contests, may it be locals and regional competitions. She is the best of the best for me. 3 years from now, I hope you will be able to fulfill your dreams to becoming a transsexual to be full-fledged woman. Soon, we will see you as one of the flight attendants in the most popular airlines here in our country and abroad. Hopefully, if you reach the peak of the success, please don't change. Of who you are now and the years to come, you will still be the only April Ken, Miss Rolly Iscasinas Mangilimutan. On the first day of school, he was the man who made my heart beat faster. A.K.A. Russell. Mr. Harvey Benji T. Madam. Hopefully 3 years from now, you fulfill your dreams, especially owning a bar restaurant you desire. At kahit kukulong kita ang lupa. Even though I'm just here, still in love with you, bro. And finally, 4 na taon ang aking pinakasalamat. Madaming masasayang alaala, away-bati, at masalubong ang kahapon ng aming pinagdaanan. Dapat buwan, ang lahat ng buwan ay aming pinahang na magkakapit-isip. Hanggang nalagpasan namin ang mga iyon. Naway, ang gusto kong matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap na maging flight attendant, fashion model, at ipagpatuloy mo ang nasimulan mong tagisan ng talino sa larangan ng pageantry. At sana ikaw ang unang kalahok na magbibigay dangal sa ating pinakamamahal na probinsya. At ang lahat ng yan ay matutupad basta manalig ka lang sa ating Divine Master at sa ating Panginoong Diyos, na siya ang nagbibigay daan sa lahat mong kahilingan. Tandaan mo, kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako handang tumulong para sa iyo. Ikaw ang aking ina, kaklase, partner sa lahat ng bagay at huwala ng mga kabataan. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Mary Calvino, 21. Most especially to our Divine Master and our Lord God, who guided us as we overcome the challenges which help us become stronger and better person we are today. For all the blessings along with the entire batch, I'm sincerely grateful to all of you. Once again, congratulations to all of us and good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Ruben. Next is a bachelor